Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have a BMW 4 Series guys and you need to remove and replace your key fob battery, stay with us guys and we'll explain everything from start to finish today guys. So stay with us if you have a BMW 4 Series. I'm talking about BMW F32 F33 guys generation, F36, F82 and F83. All these BMWs guys will use that key fob style, so removing and replacing the battery will apply to all of them. Now, quick introduction guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here guys, we make more than 200 to 300 videos guys. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. That's all we need in return. If you need to buy a new replacement battery guys for your key fob, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. You can get it for a really good price. That way you don't have to overpay for something simple as a battery, but it's a pretty heavy duty style battery, so we'll explain about that while we go. Now this is guys the key fob. You may have extra buttons or no, it really depends. You may have that button, you may not. So how you guys do it? Okay, right here you have a button, press in, pull the key out. Now what else we need to do guys? Okay, right here now. Okay, let me explain about that now. We have guys one clip, okay, right here in the hole. So we'll go ahead, pry the clip, and it snaps here as well. Okay, I'm trying to focus here so you can see, and pull it out. This is where your key battery is located guys. Okay, it is the number is CR2450. Link will be in the description of the video below. Okay, I grab the screwdriver and pull it out. Now we get the replacement battery guys. Okay, replacement battery. You go in this angle first. Okay, I'm just trying to see what, okay, if you can see clearly, you go in this angle first, press down after that. Okay, press down, then we go ahead and install the key. Now make sure to stay until the end. I want to share something with you guys, something very important. If you have a BMW 4 Series guys with the N20 4-cylinder gasoline engine guys, what problem we developed and what we're fixing now. So we'll go ahead, okay, and snap it together and we're ready to go. Now if you guys have a BMW 4 Series guys with that N20 B20 engine, I'm talking about BMW 428i guys, we just developed a timing chain failure here on that 5 Series with 87,000 miles, and it's the same engine guys. Okay, timing chain guide is inside, okay, it's inside right here in the open, so you can see quite major problem guys. So if you want to see, that's a weak spot, certain years are affected. If you want to see the video, it's on our channel guys, so check it out. We have the whole video for the timing chain replacement on how to repair guys YouTube channel. Check it out guys, everything from start to finish. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.